Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we got here some cool new products from Huawei, and these are the Huawei Band 4 and the Huawei Band 4E. So this one, the 4E, is the more affordable version. It is priced at 1,390 pesos. So this one is 1,890 pesos. So 500 pesos lang yung difference niya. So if you're into fitness, if you want to track your fitness, yung mga goals nyo and everything, you're playing basketball, you could actually use this one as they can track your fitness. And of course, yung favorite ko dito is the basketball performance. Let's unbox these two devices. So first, dito muna tayo sa Huawei Band 4E. Actually, the one that we got comes in Chinese, so hindi pa natin masyado maintindihan. But we've checked the website. Of course, nalaman natin kung ano ba meron dito sa Huawei Band 4E. So meron tayong basketball guidance performance tracker, professional running guidance, and 2 weeks long battery life. And I do like the band of this one. And meron tayong dual wearing mode. Pwede siya sa wrist and also pwede siya sa paa. Actually, hindi ko maabot yung paa ko, but you can use it in your shoes to track your fitness. So it depends kung anong gusto mo. I prefer actually using it on the foot kasi when you're playing basketball, it's better to have or to track your fitness. Nandun sa paa yung instead na nandito, as this one will be annoying pag nandito sa band. So this is the Huawei Band 4E. So let's unbox this one. So ayan po mga kaibigan. So we got here the Band 4E, and it comes with a fabric. Na band, and it's really cool. So adjustable din siya, of course, para madali siyang suotin. Yan. So this one is best used, I think, sa mas female yung design niya para sa akin. Maganda siya tignan though, pero paano siya suotin in one hand? Yan, actually ganyan lang siya. So pwede niyo siya tanggalin if you want. Yan, so madali lang siya tanggalin. So stretchable yung fabric niya na it's really cool. Actually, I like the band of this one. So it comes with a button, so we need to turn this on by charging it using the charger that is included on this one. So this is the charger for the Huawei Band 4E. It's a proprietary charger, so you need to use this one. Sorry, my bad. Ito pala. So you need to use this one. Tanggalin nyo siya dito, and then plug in the Huawei Band 4E over here, and then just charge it. Then automatically, matagal yung battery life niya. You can reach up to 2 weeks of battery life. And then this one is used for the shoe mode. So pindutin niyo lang siya para siyang stapler. So tanggalin natin, lagay natin siya dito. And then yan. So lagay na siya dito. Then i-clip niyo lang siya sa i-clip niyo lang siya sa sapatos niyo. Then automatically magta-track na siya ng fitness or ng mga ginagawa niyo. So this one can track different things sa inyo. So we can track steps, distance, calories, even achievement, yung workout distance nyo, workout time, sleep time. So meron siyang sleep tracker, stand reminder. Of course, meron din siyang mga notifications. This one is really cool. This one is really affordable at 1,390 pesos. And if I want, I could actually get this one, the Huawei Band 4 na mamaya unbox natin. But first, let's charge the Huawei Band 4E. So ilagay muna natin sa tabi si Huawei Band 4E, and let's unbox the Huawei Band 4. So this one is actually the one that I like. This one is very minimal yung design niya. I like it. I've tried the Honor Band 5 before. The Honor Band 5 is actually a great smart band. And this one is actually pretty good too. So, okay. So, nasa yung charger na ito. Weird. Okay, so hindi na natin kailangan ng charger. So, this is the Huawei Band 4. This one is really amazing. Why is it amazing? Well, because actually, tatanggalin nyo lang yung band niya, and you can actually charge this one. So, hindi nyo kailangan magdala ng charger. So, wherever you are, you can charge this one using USB-A. So, paano? Well, meron tayong button sa ilalim. Then, you need to press this one. Then yan, tanggalin nyo. Then yan, meron na tayong charger. Pwede na siya isaksak. Remember, yung may contact points yung dapat isaksak nyo. So this one is really useful. I do not need to bring any chargers anymore for my smartwatch or smart band. So I actually like that they have a design like this for the Huawei Band 4. So, ibig sabihin din ito, replaceable yung bands niya. This one is really cool. And since interested tayo gamitin itong dalawang bands na to, i-charge muna natin and alamin natin kung paano ba nagwo-work itong Huawei Band and the Huawei Band 4 and the Huawei Band 4E. Ayan guys, so I have here the Huawei Band 4E and I have here the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So all we need to do is to open the Huawei Health app and then, connect it to the smartphone with the Huawei Health app. Then of course, connect sa Huawei Band 4E, pair. Hanapin lang natin yung device and let's connect it to the Huawei Band 4E. So okay guys, I've connected it and actually recommended na buckle the device to your shoe as shown in the picture below. Actually, I'm gonna buckle it to my shoes before I'm going out mamaya. I'm not gonna show you yung mga ganong parts na, but you can see here that it's connected to my phone. As you can see here, do not disturb notifications, everything raised to raise wrist to wake screen, rotate to switch screen, everything. So wearing mode, of course lalagay natin is sa foot mode tayo. So automatic naman pala siya, pero mas prefer ko gamitin siya sa foot kasi I'm gonna use the Huawei Band 4 sa wrist ko. But everything is over here, the activity reminder, the steps, calories, distance, and of course dito tayo sa my Huawei Band 4E. Ayan, so meron tayong time, steps, yung distance covered, calories, sleep tracker, and of course find phone, and I think this is the applications. Let's try holding this one. Tingnan natin kung ano lalabas. Okay, so hindi ko lang kung ano to. Power, information. So yun, okay, babalik na siya. So very basic lang siya. It has a black and white display. I do not have a problems with it. But right now, I'm gonna place it on my shoes, and right now I have 50% battery. I'm gonna remove this one, so malalaman ko in my review kung kamusta ba tong Huawei Band 4E. Then we got here the Huawei Band 4. Again, we will connect this device. We can connect different devices. We can connect two smart bands to a single device. So connect natin smart band dito sa Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And then of course, Huawei Band 4, pair and everything. We got heart rate in here, sleep tracking, water resistance, and USB charging. This one is really cool. I actually love that they have a USB charging built in into the Huawei Band 4. It's a big game changer for me. It's not a new feature. We've seen that on the Cherry Mobile fitness tracker before, but I like that Huawei has this one. So we got here the Huawei Band 4. We got 88% of battery right now. We do have here a really cool watch face, just like the Honor Band. A lot of watch face, I believe. We got Huawei True Sleep in here in the application. You can see here, so it's a better sleep tracker for the Huawei Band. I actually love it. And then with the Huawei Band 4, makakapag-recommend siya ng best sleep tracking para sa inyo. Better sleeping time, better advices para sa pagtulog nyo. And of course, we got here the activity reminder, continuous heart monitoring. I will enable that one because I want to continuously monitor my heart rate. And of course, we got notifications, weather reports, Bluetooth disconnection reminder, function customization. You can actually customize it similar to the Huawei Honor Band 5. You got Honor rotate to switch screen, of course, firmware update. So let's check this one out. So let's see here. Alright, so nakikita nyo naman dito sa Huawei Band 4, we got a really cool watch face to navigate it. All you need to do is to swipe up. Yan, so may steps. Meron din tayong heart rate. And of course, sleep tracker. We got workout in here. A lot of workouts that you can use on this one. Really cool, really flexible. Then, of course, meron tayong more and messages for the notifications and everything. So with watch faces, we do have a lot of watch faces in here. You can actually see it here on the health application, and oh my god, there's a lot of watch face. Again, similar to the Honor Band 5. I actually prefer, let's see here, ano tayo na magandang watch face. So I prefer the brush one, and I need to download it pa dito. So download, then it will install to the Huawei Honor Band to the Huawei Band 4. It's actually confusing, but I actually like this one. It has a better look. We got a minimal na bar sa baba, and of course, yeah, very similar yung kanyang usage. So let's see here, what are the other features that we can get on this one? So meron din tayo ditong timer and stopwatch dito sa application. So meron tayo nun, and then of course yung faces, find phone, yan, the battery and the system. Unfortunately, we do not have yung SpO2 tracker in here, yung sa oxygen nyo, so sa oxygen sa blood. I'm not sure how that works, but wala siya dito. But again, this one is really cool. You got a really cool na USB na charging. You need to remove this one lang, then connect it sa USB-A yan. USB-A yan. And very easy to use. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing and hands-on of the Huawei Band 4 and the Huawei Band 4e. Actually, I'm gonna go to the event right now for the launch of this one, and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna do some fitness things, and we're gonna try out if the Huawei Band 4 and the Huawei Band 4e really works. So yeah guys, that's it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. See you guys again sa susunod na video. Don't forget to check out the links below.